He's one of Africa's biggest music exports, a multi-award-winning superstar, and the son of a billionaire. But behind the luxury lifestyle of private jets and designer outfits lies something far more concrete: real estate. In this video, we uncover the lavish world of Davido's property empire, from Banana Island mansions to luxury condos in Atlanta. And yes, we'll also take a closer look at the whispers, the secrets, the controversies. This is 10 properties owned by Davido across Nigeria and abroad, and the stories behind them. 1. Banana Island Mansion, Lagos. Tucked inside the ultra-exclusive Banana Island is Davido's crown jewel, a 1.5 billion Nigerian naira's mansion. This isn't just any luxury house, it's a statement. With a private elevator, glass-paneled walls, and a waterfront view that would make a billionaire jealous, this property screams wealth. But what most fans don't know is, this mansion isn't just for comfort. It's a business move. Davido often uses this space for content shoots, influencer parties, and label meetings. Think it's just a home. Think again, it's part of a strategy to position himself not just as an artist, but a mogul. On the flip side, rumors have swirled about zoning issues and powerful real estate connections. How did Davido, still in his 30s, secure such a prime spot? Some say, family influence paved the way. 2. Lekki Mansion. Before Banana Island, there was Lekki. Davido's Lekki Mansion was one of his first public real estate purchases. Costing over 140 million Nigerian nairas at the time, the house became the symbol of his early rise to wealth. But this house also saw its fair share of drama. Remember the viral video of a massive crowd outside Davido's Lekki gate during his birthday? The house became a hotspot and a target. It's said that security costs to manage this location tripled over time. Eventually, Davido shifted most of his operations elsewhere, but kept the house. Why? Passive appreciation. Real estate in Lekki has doubled in value, and Davido knows it. 3. Atlanta, Georgia condo. Let's cross the Atlantic. Davido's roots in the US are strong. He was born in Atlanta. And he owns a stunning condo there. Estimated at over $1.5 million, the apartment is located in a luxury high-rise near downtown. This isn't just a comfort zone for visits, it's a tax move. By maintaining US property and residency claims, Davido ensures a strategic balance between his Nigerian business empire and American music royalties. Smart. Very. Controversially, there have been unconfirmed claims of shell companies managing the condo, raising questions about offshore holdings. Is Davido planning to set up a cross-border empire? Or protect assets from prying eyes? 4. Abuja Villa, now to Nigeria's political capital, Abuja. While Davido rarely flaunts this property online, insiders say he owns a luxury villa tucked away in Maitama. Close to embassies and the presidential villa, this house is said to be used for high-level meetings and political networking. Why Abuja? Simple. Influence. Davido's family is no stranger to power. His father, Adedeji Adelik, has ties in political and business circles. This house isn't for parties, it's for power moves. But it gets deeper. Some allege that this property was part of a discreet political deal. No receipts, no online photos. Just whispers and shadows. 5. Victoria Island Apartment. The Victoria Island, the business and entertainment nerve center of Lagos. Davido allegedly owns a sleek apartment in one of the top high-rises here, used mainly by his associates and for temporary stays. What's interesting is how this property is managed. According to leaked estate agent reports, it's listed under an alias, possibly for privacy or protection. But that hasn't stopped fans from spotting his entourage entering and exiting at odd hours. Is this Davido's city base or something else? A few even speculate it doubles as a vault, a storage for valuables, documents, and maybe even unreleased music masters. Speculation. Maybe. But with Davido, there's always more than meets the eye. 6. Mansion in Osun State. Let's head to his roots, Osun State. Davido's hometown. Many overlook this property, but locals know it well. A sprawling mansion, traditional yet modern, standing like a monument. While the Banana Island house is for show, this mansion is for legacy. Built on ancestral land, it represents Davido's deeper connection to culture, family, and, importantly, political capital. But there's more. Rumors in local circles suggest that this house played a role in campaign strategies during the Osun governorship election. A private HQ in disguise. Only those inside really know. 7. South African Getaway Villa, South Africa. One of Davido's biggest fan bases. And quietly, one of his favorite escapes. According to travel insiders, Davido owns a private villa in Cape Town, nestled on the hills with a view of the Atlantic Ocean. The villa is rarely talked about. It's not on Instagram. It's not on the blogs. But several leaked images from house parties reveal similarities in decor and layout, and Davido's name attached to offshore rentals in the area raises even more eyebrows. Is this his secret haven? Or an investment through proxies? Either way, it's another layer in his mysterious portfolio. 8. UK Townhouse. Davido has spent years in and out of the UK music scene, collaborating with global stars. So it's no surprise he allegedly owns a townhouse in London's upscale Kensington area. The property is rumored to be in the name of a UK-based label affiliate. It's well protected, rarely used, and mostly for business stops and collaborations. Industry insiders suggest that the house doubles as a recording hub, occasionally visited by producers and ghostwriters. It's part of Davido's UK takeover plan and might even be a base for launching future artists under DMW International. 9. Hidden property in Dubai, the playground of the rich. Davido has spent a suspiciously high amount of time here. And though nothing is publicly confirmed, real estate records show a penthouse in a downtown skyscraper linked to a Nigerian entertainment firm with ties to Davido. Sources claim this is a quiet property, used only during exclusive visits. But here's the twist: the unit is located in a building where several African elites have hidden assets. Coincidence? Maybe. But some suggest this is part of a larger network of wealth redistribution for privacy and tax reasons. 10. Private island talks. Here's where things get wild. According to a 2024 Business Insider leak, Davido is reportedly in talks to co-own a small private island off the Lagos coast, in collaboration with 2 other high-net-worth individuals. If true, this would be one of the most controversial real estate moves by any African artist. An island. Why? Some say it's for privacy. Others hint at turning it into a music resort or blockchain-powered creative hub. The land acquisition is allegedly under review due to environmental laws, but sources claim payments have already been made under corporate shared identities. If confirmed, this could be Davido's biggest real estate play yet. From Lagos to London, Atlanta to Cape Town, Davido isn't just building a music legacy. He's quietly stacking bricks, building an empire of land, homes, and power. But with great property comes great secrecy. Some are gifts. Some are business decisions. And others, we may never know their true purpose. One thing's for sure: Davido knows how to keep the world watching, guessing, and talking. What do you think Davido's endgame is? Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to discover more secrets of the elite and comment below.